Hi guys, today welcome to my channel. Thank you for 164 subscribers. Thank you guys. Let's go to my 64 subscribers. Okay.
Wow, I don't like this. Oh, I like this. Now let's try it if it's hard. Don't forget to press that subscribe button. Okay, let's go. That gave me cheers, man. Okay, full enough. Oh, nice quality. Oh, try again. That graphics is too cold, man.
Thank you guys so much for 164 subscribers.
Oh, what? Bro, that's amazing, man. Bro, the way that the press start is in my face, just like too clean. Bro, I'm just in the beginning and I keep them. There we go. Press start. Oh my god. This is such a pro player gameplay. Bro, I don't know if I can do this. If I think, oh my god, I can do this. Yeah. Oh no. Little bit. I can do this, man. I can do this. I know I can. Oh my god. This is, halfway there. Halfway there, man. Okay, that's so amazing. Even though I'm lagging in recording, but the game is okay. There we go again. This is just fire. Oh, click. So the last time I upload, which is the full version, well, I hate it. There's too many crap. This is harder than mine. Played. Bro, why I am slow now? I don't know. I'm sorry guys if I'm just a beginner. Yeah, I just started playing Geometry Dash like just 2 days. Yeah. So I'm still a beginner in this game. But I can do this.
Ate, nasa yung wishes ng kapatid mo?
Oh no. Okay guys, serious mode.
Naglakad ba ito, be? Naglakad din yung kapatid mo, hindi? Kung pumunta kayo dito tawid, dito ako yung mami mo.
Managing surviving. So I think we're going to survive. Oh! What the? Oh my god. Bro, what is this ad? Bruh. Let me try again. Oh my god. This gave me goosebumps. But I want to finish it. I want to see the end. Here we go. Gave me goosebumps. This is the hardest part. Oh.
Ata. So guys, kasi mamang just
Oh my god. Oh my god. I hate this. They're going to make it so cold. Oh! Bro, why is this OBS too hard? Okay. I think I'm going to do this. Why it's so fast? Bro said tap. Bro, I'm tapping. Bro. Why I am so done at this game. By the way, if you like me playing horror games, just tell me in the comments. Bro, what? Bro, the game glitch. Oh my god. Oh no, I can do this. I can do this. Just we keep going. Keep going. Keep going, my man. Keep going. Oh my god. Bro. That's too crazy. Did you see that? The way that the graphics is just too cool. But I am amazed. I never seen such as this. Oh my god, here we go again. This is good. This is super crazy. I don't know why. Wait. But I hate this. I hate that part. Okay, here we go again. Wish I can defeat this level. Oh my. Oh. Okay guys. This took me many years again. By the way, if you like me speaking Tagalog, well, you can just type in the comment section. Let me reach goal 100k subscribers. Please,
They
I
never
don't have
do that.
subscriber. Only one subscriber. So please help me get it. One day I will become a true pro player of this game. Oh my god, here we go, here we go! Oh my god. This give me chill. Bro, I don't know how to play that. What's this game? Bro, I don't know how to fly. Bro, I don't know how to fly. How even I think? I just recently died. Can you comment down below how to? Because I will distract of that part if I couldn't know it. This is my last food. Okay. Nice. Okay, wish me luck. Okay, let's here we go again. From the Beaver Party. Here we go again. Oh my god. Bro. Well, this is my last game. Thank you guys for supporting me. Can I get only 10 subscribers at least? Please, I trying my best. Okay, I will not let it pass. I will try beating my record. I will go again. Bro, why did it make it so hard? Like, what? Here we go again. Bro, I hate this. Bro! that's enough. See you guys in my other video. Thank you for being patient watching my video. Goodbye. Bro, I'm gonna kick your ass. Come on, Austin. Jushiro! Yung aso ko, tanda mo.
Di ba yung aso?
Ganito aso ko.
Aso ko na
Yung aso ko, si Shiro. Hello guys, so we're back at the Sub-Zero made by Rob Cat again. So last time, the press start, yeah, I can't finish it because I don't know how to fly. But we're trying the next level, which is not on. Okay, before I click this, don't forget again to subscribe. Thank you if you like my video. I hope you like it. Let's go. It's a dog. Oh, it's like a rock star. Huh? There's a gun. Okay. Well, this is simple. But I really hate when it's back. Okay. Bro, I keep thinking. Don't worry, I will finish it. Oh my god. Okay, I will do it better now. that really gonna happen or no? I think it's gonna happen. But it's pretty good though. Look. Bro, this is just too cold. This is challenging. Oh my god. Oh my god. I think it's backwards. Oh. Dude. Dude, man. This thing trolled me. But I know I can do this. It's not speed up yet. I just need to do it. Ah, I got trolled again. Oh my god. Next time. I won't troll this time. I promise it. Oh my god. This is again. Okay, fall. I know. What the?
Sorry guys, I'm not talking all the time because I'm busy. Busy of people.
Bro, why I can just cheat at this game? No, I'm not cheating. I changed my mind. Oh, what the? What? Bro, he's cute, man. So Lazada is giving a free dog. Wow. Why do I so down at this game? Ay, hindi na pala naka-work. Ayan. Bruh. Bruh. Magbablog mo ka ako?
So guys, that is the Earth Girl. What do I like, and don't forget to like and subscribe and comment below what powers should I do next. So that's all. Bye.